Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about logarithm test for infinite series and their examples. First we will discuss about logarithm test of convergence for infinite series. Logarithm test. Let summation un be series of positive terms such that limit n goes to infinity n times log un upon un plus 1 equal to L. Series is convergent if L is greater than 1. Series is divergent if L is less than 1. Logarithm test fail. The series may either convergent or divergent if L equal to 1. According logarithm test, convergent or divergent depends upon value of L. If value of L is less than 1, then the series is divergent, and value of L is greater than 1, then series is convergent. If L equal to 1, then logarithm test fails. How will we solve the problem of convergence? According to logarithm test for infinite series, let us take example of logarithm test for infinite series. Test for convergence, the series 1 plus 2x upon factorial 2 plus 3 square x square upon 3 factorial plus 4q xq upon 4 factorial plus so on. First we will take nth term of given infinite series. Here take un equal to n to the power n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 upon factorial n. Now replace n goes to n plus 1 in this sequence, and we found this un plus 1 equal to n plus 1 to the power n x to the power n upon n plus 1 factorial. Now take un upon un plus 1, the value of un and the value of un plus 1, put in this. Now cancel x to the power n by x to the power n. Denominator and numerator remain x to the power minus 1. Expand one time factorial n plus 1 is n plus 1 factorial n, and cancel factorial n by factorial n, numerator and denominator. Then we get this. Now term n plus 1, same of numerator and denominator, then its power add, and this can written as this, and again can written as this. Now take both side limit n goes to infinity, limit n goes to infinity, un upon un plus 1 equal to limit n goes to infinity 1 plus 1 upon n to the power n multiply by 1 upon x. Take n goes to infinity, so 1 upon infinity tends to 0, and we know that limit n goes to infinity 1 plus 1 upon n to the power n equal to e, and the value of 1 plus 1 upon n is 1. This can written as finally value of limit n goes to infinity un upon un plus 1 is 1 upon x. by D'Alembert test such that limit n goes to infinity un upon un plus 1 equal to L. Then L is greater than 1 is convergent, L is less than 1 is divergent. So the series summation un converges if 1 upon ex is greater than 1, that is if x is less than 1 upon e, diverges if 1 upon ex is less than 1, that is if x is greater than 1 upon e, and D'Alembert test fail if 1 upon ex equal to 1, that is if x equal to 1 upon x. D'Alembert test fail when x equal to 1 upon e. Put in this un upon un plus 1 equal to e times 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon n to the power n. Now apply logarithm test. We take both side log and multiply by n and take both side limit n goes to infinity. This we know that log m upon n equal to log m minus log n, and log mn equal to log m plus log n, and log m to the power n equal to n log m. Same as this term can written as this. Now value of log e is 1 and expand log 1 plus 1 upon n is this, and expand log 1 plus 1 upon n and multiply by n this. We solve limit, then we found this limit is 3 by 2. Now by logarithm test for infinite series, limit n goes to infinity, log un upon un plus 1 equal to 3 by 2 is greater than 1, which is convergent if x equal to 1 upon e. The given series convergent if x is less than equal to 1 upon e and if x is greater than 1 upon e. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and like it so that you can get latest video. Thanks.